If you want to use camera remote application on your Apple Watch Ultra 3rd generation, then all you have to do is just to click on this crown control button and search for camera remote. And you will have to just open it. Now it will also automatically open camera application on your iPhone. And as default, when you click on this shutter, it will take photo with 3 seconds delay, just like this. Now by clicking here, you can turn it off and you can just quickly take the photos. Now after it stops processing, it will finish. And right now, when you click here, you can also switch to the front camera on your iPhone, which is really useful. And additionally, you can also turn on and off flashlight. You can also find a live photo option. And yeah, that's how it looks. If we try to record a video, we can also do that, but we have to switch into the video mode on our application. And what is also pretty useful that we can find here the preview of everything that we are actually taking. So yeah, that's how it actually looks. If you find it useful, please hit the like button.